Hello people, I'm Marcel from Romania, and it's been a while that I didn't post on my YouTube channel, so now I want to show you some interesting project that I made in the last year and this year. Before that I want to show you my little... Come on here, come on. This is my 79 first gen. This is a Z steering wheel, but what I want to show you is this 1978 second gen, 1981 second generation. I make the body shop. Every rust was cut out, and the new metal sheet that I made from my hands. Little mess. The new headline that my wife has made. Okay, and the part that I want to show you is the engine. The engine is 1.3 with K-hin 2-barrel carburetor. What I want to show you is the engine was good. It was running perfectly, no smoke, the compression was good, but I decided to open the engine, and look what I found. Nothing, that no was sign that the camshaft was damaged. Everybody who knows, who work at this type of old Hondas, Accord, Prelude, first generation Accord, first generation Prelude, first generation Civic, second gen. The problem with this cog, I think it's in English, sometimes the teeth is gone. Now here the teeth is good, surprisingly very good, but the cams are shit, as you see. I want to change it. I want to rebuild this cam. Look, this part, bad. The rocket arms are bad, but not is the sign. The problem that I want to show you. This is the problem. Here it's clean between the cylinders and there, but here, as you see, it's smoky. And the same thing I found on the cylinder head. Clean, smoke. This is the sign. As you see, it's brown. It's the burned gas go to the cooling circuit in the cooling channels. It's not a problem. I work 5 years in this engine shop, and I will clean the engine before I see if the cylinders are good. No, it's okay. don't have their signs. It's okay. I see it. The engine is good. A cylinder block, and after that I clean the cylinder head and the block, I will make a video after I finish the head surface and the engine block surface. Another one, I'm sorry for banging English. I speak Romanian, Hungarian, English, a little German. It's like here. See you next time. Bye.